Example number 12, it is page number 99, Arya book depot class 8. Question is, find the square root by 1s and 10 methods of 11025. 11025. So definitely at the unit place 5 will be there. Now 110. So we have to 10 square is equal to 100, is less than 1110, and 11 square is equal to 121. So either 105 is the answer or 115 is the answer, but it is more, so this answer cannot be at this. So answer is 15 square. So let us check the solution. 105 into 105, that is 525 and 105. So 2511. So this is the solution. 105 square. Now exercise 6.2 is there. There are some questions, you have to solve all the questions of this exercise. Next is finding square roots of the number. C. By long division method, finding square root of the number by long division method. First, let us learn to find out the number of digits in the square root of the given number. To determine the number of digits in the square root of a number, place the bar over every pair of digits starting from the right most or from the units place. Note, number of bars is equal to number of digits in the square root of the given number. For example, 2704. Number of bar is equal to 2. How? 27 and 04. Number of digits in the square roots is 2. Number of bar. Second, 10201. 10201. So number of bar in digit is equal to 3. 270400. 270400. Number of bar is equal to 3. Number of digits 1048576. 1048576. Number of bar is equal to 4. So we can also find the number of digits in the square root of the given number by finding the number of digits of the given number, say n. So if n is equal to odd, the number of digits in the square root is n plus 1 by 2. Here n is equal to what? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5. So number of bar will be 1 by 1 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 3. Here 2, 4, 6. n is equal to 6. So number of bar is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. So if n is even number, the number of bar is equal to n by 2. Now let us learn the method to find the square root of a given number using long division method. Let us explain the procedure to be followed by using the method. by finding the square roots of 20736. 20736 we have to find out the square root. So here number of r is equal to 3. 20736. Starting from the ones digits, from form the pairs of digits given number and put the bar on each pair and the remaining digit, if any, is called period. Think of the largest number whose square is less than or equal to the first pair from the left. In this example, the number 1. So, as 1 square is less than the 2 and more than the 2 square. These 2 lies between 1 square and 2 square. Take this number as a divisor and quotient. Subtract the product of the divisor and quotient from the first pair. So here we will put the 1 square, that is 1, and here we will take the 1. Here it is 2, it will cross. So 0, 7 will come. Now bring down the numbers under the next pair to the right to the remainder. This becomes the new dividend, that is in case 107. Oh, sorry. That is 107. Now we have to multiply by 2, 4. To get the second divisor, double the first quotient in the case, that is 2, and left the units digit to the next divisor, keeping units place blank. Step 5. The unit digit of the new divisor should be chosen in such a way that the product of this digit and the new divisor is equal to or just less than our new dividend. In this case, the new divisor is 24. So here 4 will be there, and here 96 will be there, and it will be there 28. Now 1 will be there, then again 1 will be there, 3, 6 will be there. So we will put here the 4, and now 284. So 4 times you have to add 288 will be there, and here it will be the 1136. So this is 4. You can check here, just double it is 144 into 2 will be, it is 288. So step number 6, bring down the number under the next bar to the right of the remainder in step 5 and repeat the step 4 to 6 till all the bars are exhausted. The final quotient is the required square root, provided there is no remainder, as in this case, and we say that the given number is a perfect square, thus the square root in this case is 144. The result can be verified by finding the square of the square root obtained. Here 144 into 144 is equal to 207 and 36. You can verify the answer also by multiplying both the result. With the given number, the result is verified and it is correct. Example number 13.